In a world where every watt matters, CPUs hold the key to both performance and efficiency. Undervolting, fine-tuning the voltage supply, is now redefining how we harness computing power. Imagine achieving blazing fast speeds while consuming significantly less energy. This is the modern tech wizardry shaping smarter PC builds. At its core, undervolting is about sending just the right amount of energy, not too much, not too little. Precision in voltage cuts waste and keeps the CPU cool, extending its lifespan. But can we really optimize efficiency without sacrificing performance? The answer lies in today's innovative engineering. Imagine a marathon runner conserving energy while maintaining top speed. That's undervolting for your CPU. By reducing unnecessary energy consumption, processors stay efficient and eco-conscious. Lower power usage also means less heat, quieter systems, and sustainable computing. It's like unleashing hidden potential within your machine. When undervolting, careful adjustments are crucial. Tools like voltage curve editors let you tweak settings with pinpoint accuracy. Small, controlled changes reduce power draw, while maintaining high stability. Modern processors are designed with these optimizations in mind, balancing innovation and efficiency gracefully. Think of undervolting like tuning a musical instrument. It takes patience and skill. Each voltage adjustment echoes through your system, trimming inefficiencies without compromising harmony. Done right, the result is a finely balanced performance, with CPUs humming smoothly at peak rhythm. The results of undervolting are striking. Smoother gaming sessions, quieter workflows, and longer battery life in laptops. For desktops, it means energy-smart computing without the hefty electric bill. Enthusiasts and professionals alike are embracing this shift as we transition toward greener tech. The benefits aren't just technical, they're environmental too. Undervolting contributes to greener computing by reducing energy waste, lowering carbon footprints. With billions of devices worldwide, even small energy savings cascade into monumental global impact. Tech isn't just about evolution, it's about responsible growth for a sustainable future. For beginners, undervolting might feel technical, but accessible tools and guides simplify the journey. Step-by-step software makes it achievable, even for first-time PC builders. With practice, you'll unleash a perfect balance of power and efficiency, unlocking capabilities you never knew your CPU had. As CPUs push the boundaries of innovation, undervolting keeps them efficient, sustainable, and future-proof. It aligns perfectly with the shift toward smart technologies that embrace both performance and environmental care. This simple adjustment changes the way we think about computing. Undervolting isn't just a technical tweak, it's a movement toward smarter computing. By unlocking hidden efficiency and preserving performance, we future-proof our systems while protecting the planet. It's time to harness the full potential of our technology, one voltage at a time.